falling down. Get ready.
Eat with the spoon. No, no, no. Spoon is there. Can't put a garam. No, no, mama, can't put
We have. Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my vlog, and my auntie made this for me.
Wow. Yummy. Taste. How is it? You like it?
Yeah. Ginger.
Show, what is that? Ta 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 ta. That is cookies. Is that? Ta ta ta.
Oh, mushroom.
Sab kha
I
liya.
got first.
Nice. Which one is your favorite? Mama's favorite is that one. Cheese.
I like
this
this
one.
one.
Cheesecake.
I like this one.
Macaron tha kya?
Macaron.
This one is cheesecake. I like this one very much.
That's
Not
good.
upper layer, the inside one. And the third one.
The banana cake.
Wow, it's all cake. This one was also yummy. Egg white, na?
Yeah, it's like.
Don't eat the upper one, Nanu. Eat inside one. Upper one is full of coconut powder.
So like
The
this
first
one.
layer, yes, the middle one.
But not good. What about this one?
What is that? Muffin.
It's very tasty.
Very tasty. And try this one.
What?
Banana cake.
Oh, this one.
No, the banana cake.
Yes.
Brown bread.
Oh, what is this? Oh, wow.
Eat with the spoon. No, no, no.
Where
Spoon
the
is there.
And then,
No, that one is picky. ये
what about this?
मामा का मुंह ज़्यादा मीठा हो गया ना इसलिए मामा पिकेगा बाद में फिर केक खाएगा.
Wow, what is this?
Ah, that is chocolate cake. Chocolate cake.
Which tastes like ice cream.
Ah,
I think I don't need any more because my mouth is full of.
what, your mouth is full of sweet. Now you also eat picky like mama.
Ah.
Nah? बहुत यम्मी है काकू का नागालैंड से लेके आया. My favorite one is this one. Cheesecake. इतना कुछ खाया है पूरा मुंह मीठा हो गया तो उसको मिलाने के लिए पीके. It is so good.
Do you know what I'm drinking? I am drinking jelly drink. Jelly drink. I'm gonna go upstairs with my sister and my Aussie.
हम पीके खा रहा है बट टेस्टी है. इतना मीठा खाने के बाद पीके.
Do you want to
What
see
spicy,
it looks like? Okay. I bring a plate to see what's in.
I want more cheesecake.
Oh my god! Oh my!
More cheesecake.
Oh, look at this jelly. It's pink. It's pink. It's really pink. I'll get a spoon.
What is this? मेरा अभी भी जस्ट पिलाटेस क्लास हुआ. 2 hours पिलाटेस किया और भूख लग गया था तो मेरा डाइट पर उल्टा पुल्टा हो गया. अभी इतना ज़्यादा मीठा फिर पीके फिर चाय माय फेवरेट. Very good.
Nah, let's go upstairs.
Let mama finish now.
Look at.
Sweet, some sweet,
Yeah.
and then some
No, I don't like that.
spicy. Picky. At first sweet, and then picky, like nano. Wow, yummy.
This was a big bite.
Not feeling spicy?
Yes, I'm feeling spicy.
See? So yummy.
And this actually make your spicy away.
I like my mom's PK. She's the best.
It won.
My mom's PK is the best.
It won.
I don't know.
Hmm.
My mom will be yours.
Grandma.
And what do you call her?
Grandpa.
Ayo. चलो बस मम्मा का काम पूरा गर्म हो गया और फिर मीठा खाएगा फिर पीके फिर मीठा फिर पीके करके ये सबको खत्म करेगा देखो यम्मी सब हाफ खा के रखा है और पीके खा के फिर चाय पीगा कान पूरा गर्म है नानू मामा को पानी ना
We have so many
see you.
jealous.
See you, bye bye. Subscribe, like, comment. कैसा था क्या?
Wow.
आनो क्या कर रहा है?
Craft.
क्राफ्ट बना रहा है. Let me see. Explain करो.
इसका नाम लुइस है.
हाँ.
इसका ये अलमारी है.
और लुइस अलमारी. वाह. कपरू. उयो.
और ये फ्रिज है यार मैम ऐसे ही कुछ और डिजर्ट्स बना रहा था.
हाँ.
हम इसको डेकोरेट कर देंगे.
हाँ. और ये हमें कौन कुछ कुछ हल्ला कर रहा है? हाँ ना सारा. नमूदो. चिटको. सारा. सारा.
वो घर घर खेल रहा है.
हाय बोलो.
हाय.
घर घर खेल रहे हैं.
Why did yo. Happy to you birthday Joy. Tap nano happy to you मैं कैसे करी कैसे करे नंगू अब मसे नानो कितो रखो क्या गोया के अच्छी करी falling down branches falling down branches ready branches falling down branches falling down branches falling down branches ready
Twinkle twinkle.
नहीं हुए
वो लंदन ब्रिज बना रहे हैं. लंदन इसलिए ट्विंकल ट्विंकल गाया तो नहीं होया है. लंदन ब्रिज अभी तक बना रहे हैं. लंदन ब्रिज इज फॉलिंग डाउन.
मत बोलो नाना बोलो
नाना बोलो.
अभी तक ये नहीं हुए
अभी तक नहीं होया.
गाड़ी चुक 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 गाड़ी चुक चुक चुक
बाबा ब्लैक शिप
नहीं हुई है
नहीं होया.